Okay. Um, Today I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. And we'll also have the trainer's credo of IMG. I know the only way I will become successful is to train and to duplicate new trainers. I know exactly how to win. I win by field training one person at a time. Thus, I must remain simple in my presentations and training. I must be consistent and predictable. I have to do it fast so the trainee can see how doable it is. I understand that the future of the new trainee and his family is in my hands. I must do it right and do it with pride. My trainee will be successful because of my commitment, dedication, and belief in the mission of our business. Rather than giving a man a fish, we teach him how to fish. I'm proud to be an IMG WSB trainer. Okay, so yun ano, ang galing ng ating trainer's credo. So let's go to the business of IMG because this training is to orient you about the business of IMG and what we do here. Of course, this is just the overview because everything about the nitty-gritty of the business, the beauty of the business is discussed in the Trainers Academy and we would have to qualify for it. Parang kung Harvard School, you would have to be required to be able to go to Harvard School. So because it's serious training about the business. So alala, mamaya discuss natin kung ano yung requirements. But every one of us, it's very easy not to qualify. I think na every one of you who are here naman can qualify, right? So it's all about the system of IMG, all right? There's many businesses all around the world, but mostly are focused on material stuff and 'di ba? Ang dami nating alam puro mga bagay na nagde-decrease yung value over time, right? Mga liabilities. But IMG is different. Sabi pa nga sa Chinese proverb, no? If you want 1 year of prosperity, grow grain. If you want 10 years of prosperity, grow trees. But if you want 100 years of prosperity, grow people. And that's what IMG have been doing for the past how many years? 24 years, including WSB and WFG of US and Canada, our mother company. It's been several decades already, right? Of building people, of turning nobody to somebody, of even the somebody already to giving significance to the world, of leaving a legacy to the world. So this is the beauty of IMG. For those of you na naka-attend na ng convention, nakita natin kung gaano kaganda yung mission ni IMG and paano niya nababago yung buhay ng mga tao. I am one of those na nabago talaga yung pamilya ko and kayo din na naandito na. I'm sure meron ng pagbabago kahit hindi pa fully like because I know most of you who are here, hindi pa po SMD, and that's our goal naman. So, pag SMD po tayo, dyan po talaga yung start talaga ng transformation. Alright, so maraming changes sa ating life na magpapasalamat tayo kay Lord. All right, our belief in IMG here is that it's here, no? Our thrust have always been financial education. Yung selling part is um, papasok na lang yan kung ang tao financially educated. And that's why we are in the membership platform. Di po ba? It says here, money is powerful, but what is more powerful is financial education. Money comes and goes. Money is just a tool. Financial education is knowledge and wisdom rolled into one. Di ba? So kaya nagtuturo tayo ng solid financial foundation. Walang ibang company tayong alam na nagtuturo ng debt management. Sino ba? May alam ba kayo? Yung insurance agents ba nakakilala nyo nagtuturo nito? Yung bangko ba? Nagtuturo sa atin ito na makawala sa utang. Yung bangko nga, di ba, nagpo-promote ng loans? Even yung, di ba, yung mga lending company. So, only IMG lang yung alam ko na tumutulong talaga holistically sa bawat tao na na masakto yung kanyang financial foundation. So I'm really proud of this organization that we're in. All right? Okay. So yung mission po natin sa IMG is so beautiful, no? To help create wealth for families, to make a difference for families so there will be no family left behind. So ito talaga yung focus niya is for each and every one of us. Diba? If you're employed right now, review the mission of your company that you're working for. Is it geared towards your personal growth, your family's growth, your family's wealth, your family's wellness? Or is it geared towards the growth or the wellness of the company lang mismo, ano? Kasi minsan, di ba, for the company lang talaga siya. So we work for them, of course we get salary, but for the benefit talaga ng company. Nothing wrong with that because we work for them, but we know for a fact that we sometimes we work so hard and everything else, but at the end of the day, kulang ng savings, maraming utang, di ba? So, ito yung ginagawa ng IMG, empowerment talaga no, sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. And ang krusada natin to deliver the world's financial wake-up call. IMG is about changing people from spenders to savers, from savers to investors, and from investors to entrepreneurs. Exactly, ito yung nangyari sa akin, no? Isa po ako dating introvert, wala din akong background on selling. Empleyado lang po ako dati. Hindi ko gustong nagkikipag-usap sa ibang tao. I mean, hindi ako yung yung kasi nga introvert, 'di ba? So pagpasok ng IMG, you realize na uy, hindi lang pala tungkol sa akin ito, no? Tungkol din pala sa maraming tao, sa maraming Pilipino, and na-empower ka, nako-compel ka talaga to do the mission of IMG. And right now, as you can see here, no, we have a huge vision. We have a huge mission, no, which is to achieve 30 million financially educated Filipinos by 2030, and congratulations kasi kasama na po kayo dito syempre. And um yung goal po natin na 30 million, hanggang kailan pa ano pa lang po yung number natin ngayon, as you can see, it's still 2,093,000, no? So ang layo pa natin, although of course we can achieve this, but if you would look at it, business side na perspective and mission side, no? So ang layo pa ng mararating ng ating kampanya. And after that, even 2030, mas lalo na, di ba? And kung kasama ka sa growth na ito, then you would be very blessed, right? Ngayon pa lang nga na 2 million pa lang, I feel so blessed na it's overflowing. All right? So we would like you to ride the magic carpet with us. Sabi pa nga ni Sir Joen, di ba? So sama tayo. We should prosper together. And yung kagandahan ng business natin sa IMG ngayon is hindi kailangan na gawin siyang um, makipag-meet ng mga tao, di ba? Pwedeng online. And that's the reason nga, kahit pandemic na pandemic, yung ating growth sa IMG is times 10. Kung yung ibang businesses, nagsasarahan, nagtatanggalan ng trabahante, nagkakat ng pay dito sa IMG, mga active na IMG members, times 10 yung income, times, di ba? Ang dami ng members, happy, ang aga ng Pasko, and ngayon, nagbigayan na ng Christmas gifts, di ba? So, ganyan yung beauty niya. Para siyang, sabi nga ni, sino ba yung sabi, Sir Bart, na para siyang divine intervention. Yung ating Dominate tool, yung online tool natin, available na siya years ago so that pagdating ng pandemic, ready tayo, nakapag-adjust talaga agad tayo. 'Di ba? And blessed tayo din ni Lord ngayon na ang ganda-ganda talaga ng takbo ng business. And I guess, no, pag maganda talaga yung mission mo talaga namang ibibless ka ni Lord, 'di ba? Ang daming pamilya ngayon na because they're part of IMG, meron silang emergency fund, hindi sila takot, wala silang utang, may income, 'di ba? So, yan, and sama tayo sa Magic Carpet. So, pwede itong online, it's a financial brokerage na business na pwedeng online. Ito din lang yung ginagawa ko. I discuss to you, I discuss to mga guests. Mamaya meron din tayo, kanina meron tayo, 'di ba? Online lang. And kasi yung mga payment ngayon pwede na din naman ng online, 'di ba? Especially because there's pandemic and yung mga tao gustong-gusto ma-covered. So hanap sila ng healthcare. Diba? So andito lahat na sa IMG. So you're here right now because you're a member, right? And this is a new members orientation. Maybe you took the basic membership with Fidelity, yung 6,000, or associate na, meaning with Kaiser, di ba? So basic, yung nag-join ka, license na agad, may 100,000 accident insurance benefit, 50,000 na memorial, yung sa Fidelity, and yung mutual fund account, yung favorite ng marami sa atin, with 1K na agad, ano? And then financial education training and classes. But for those of you na nag-associate, of course, mas maganda kasi we have the opportunity na to earn because we're associates. And plus, yung 50,000 na memorial naging 500,000. Yung ating accident insurance, 1 million na. 1 million to guys, sorry. And then, my 4-in-1 long-term HMO na by Kaiser. Ito yung standard natin ngayon, yung K100 because it can give at least 1 million by the time na mag-mature yung policy. All right? But of course, the prospect can always start with the lower ones or the higher ones. Depende po sa pangarap nila, sa gusto nilang retirement money by then. When it comes to sustaining the savings, hindi naman tayo matatakot if we're doing the IMG business kasi may pang-sustain naman tayo, and we'll discuss that in a little bit, kung paano ito i-sustain. So we join here for different reasons. Different benefits yung gusto natin ma-avail. One is financial education. Pangalawa is savings and investments. Yung pangatlo is extra income. So may sumasali din na for extra income talaga, no? And so let's discuss this one by one, okay? So for financial education, as you can see, kung dati kailangan pa pumunta ka ng financial centers to take the workshop, na itong workshop na ito, if you would really have to take it by itself, you would have to go to the US, yung content ng workshop na ito on personal finance. Kasi walang ibang nagtuturo nito dito na US certified na financial educators, only IMG. And right now, because of the pandemic, available na siya online. Tapos yung nagde-train pa sa atin is yung Big Three natin, yung sila Sir Joen mismo, president, yung founders. Alright? So, hindi lang yung Green Jackets. Naalala ko nga, yung aim talaga namin nung nag-run kami ng Green Jacket late last year to early this year was to get this licensing to conduct the workshop sa aming probinsya sa Samar. But because of the pandemic, available na siya ngayon kahit saan ka man because it's already online. So, blessing talaga siya, di ba? So, if you haven't taken this as a member, please do take it. Andito po siya. If i-play ko, login po tayo sa ating portal. And once you're in sa portal natin, punta po tayo sa dito, resources. Here, resources, and click on webinars. Ayan. Tapos pagdating sa webinars, tadan, andito na agad yung workshops. If you want to know about the system, which we will discuss din mamaya, wealth creation system. But dito yung thorough talaga na discussion, yung mga questions nyo na hindi nyo pa alam yung sagot, andito talaga. Si Richelle, yung ating isa sa bagong SMD natin sa team, mga June, summer, June, ang dami niyang questions sa akin, and I realized nasa wealth creation system ito, Rich. Try to take it kasi andun lang lahat. After that, boom, SMD na siya, di ba? So, andito lang yan. And the great thing about this is we can self-pace and there's a certificate every after you finish it. Ang ibang tao gustong-gusto ng certificates, di ba? So, ayan. And then, for resources, we also have the Prosper Pinoy channel. So, just subscribe it. Ito yung team natin under kay Sir Jess. Right? So, kilala naman natin lahat si Sir Jess. Sa hindi pa, sa mga bago, so you will know him as we go along in this business. Alright? So, maraming mga tutorials din dito. Now, pangalawang rason na nagjo-join is for savings and investment. Numero uno is gustong kumuha ng Kaiser. Kagaya ko na sumali ako kasi gusto kong mag-Kaiser at gusto kong mag-invest sa mutual funds. Yun lang talaga yung gusto ko dati. Very selfish reason pa. Di ba? Yan naman talaga tayo. Inisip muna natin tayo, yung pamilya natin. After a while, you realize, uy, si ano pala, yung kapatid ko, yung mama ko, kailangan pala nila itong tinuturo din ni IMG. And so you are compelled to share, di ba? Kasi selfish naman, ikaw lang yung may ipon. Ikaw lang yung walang utang. Dapat yung ibang tao din, di ba? Para mas masaya. Alright? So, ayan. And of course, yung pangatlo is yung, walkthrough pala, ito yung dashboard natin. Actually, upgraded na ito kasi di ba may mga bagong benefits na ina dito sa portal gaya ng yung Nura Cash where dyan na ilalagay yung commissions and then yung auto program and then yung asset preservation. So, talagang lahat na nilagay na dyan ni IMG, and so andito yung mutual funds, isa sa mutual funds natin, yung pinakabago na mas madaling mag-invest is yung Soldivo funds. So ito naman hindi kailangan maglagay parate, so anytime lang that you want to put or buy shares. Hindi siya required. And ito yung kadalasan na kinukuha ng marami sa atin ng pang start, because of course this is what we practice also, because it solves the right financial foundation, all right, in building the solid financial foundation. So yung ating Kaiser, andito siya. Ano? So 7 years to save with burial or memorial benefit, death benefit, retirement benefit, and healthcare benefit. So 4-in-1 na siya if you're a member of IMG. Quick review, K100 plan, if annualized siya, 58,000. If monthly siya, it's around 70,000. So most of us, maraming nag-annualize para makapag-save ng 2 months. Kasi 'di ba, if you times 7, 'di ba? Kasi 7 years magsisave, so 14 months lahat yung magsisave mo. Kaya ako din, nag-annualized ako, yung husband ko annualized, and a lot of us, no? But if hindi kaya yung annualized, we can of course do monthly. Yung maganda naman sa monthly is of course napapractice yung habit natin of saving, of setting aside money for savings. Kasi yung iba sa atin, bago pa yung pag-iimpok talaga. So dito napapractice na every month hanggang sa masanay na, and pwede na later on upgrade to annual, 'di ba? So marami niyan dito. All right? So yung contract price niya is 411,000. So again, 7 years lang po tayo magsisave. After 7 years, stop na po. And then, bibigyan tayo ng certificate of full payment ni Kaiser at saka yung Kaiser Visa card. Alright? And then after that, yung ating inipon is mag-grow na, no? Grow na kasi invested din sa mutual fund. And by the 20th year, we can withdraw na yung lump sum, or you can just leave it there until you need it na, especially by old age when kailangan natin ng fund for sickness, 'di ba? Kasi yan talaga naman yung malaking kumakain ng pera natin by the time that we retire. Marami tayong mga kakilalang retirees na nauubos yung pension nila sa kanilang medications or konting sakit lang, kaya nababaon na naman sa utang. So we want to solve that cycle on having no health care, right? So that's why I am a firm believer of Kaiser long-term care, kagaya ito ng HSA or health savings account sa mga progressive countries, and that's the reason why yung mga retirees nila chill na lang, ano, and they can afford kahit mga mamahalin na surgeries or mga caregiver, because nag-ipon na sila habang maaga pa. So ito din yung Kaiser. They don't rely in the government. You can ask the people there, no? So they save for it. They save for it as early as they can. So ayan. So anyway, may separate class naman tayo on Kaiser. We can review that. But for a summary, may mutual fund siya. Shareholders tayo. Kung Kaiser holder tayo, shareholders din tayo ng mga blue chip companies na ito. BDO, di ba? Hindi ka lang depositor, investor ka din, may-ari ka rin. Jollibee, di ba? Kain ka sa Jollibee, shop ka sa SM, may-ari ka rin, may pabalik din sa'yo kasi investor ka. And then, life insurance. So, what if we die too soon? May iwan po sa pamilya natin, no? So for K100, it's 450,000. If accident ang cost is 900,000. Alright? So may team tayo kay Faith na sadly yung team niya namatay last year, and nakatanggap talaga yung pamilya nila ng life insurance, at yung plan is na transfer din sa husband, considered paid in full kahit less than a year pa po siya nakapagbayad. So it's a great testament of parang mission fulfilled, ano, na nakapag-benefit talaga yung family. Otherwise, siguro, anong nangyari? Kasi ang nasabi ng husband nun is bayad nila sa utang nila and pang pa-enroll ng mga bata, yung yung money, and yung plan naman, o si husband na later on yung makakagamit ng HMO at saka makaka-receive ng lump sum. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng Kaiser talaga. And then, third is lifetime health care, HMO. So, lifetime talaga siya as long as there's a fund. And kahit nga gamitin mo siya every year, no? Pero pag gamitin mo siya every year, parang ano ba yan? Mamamatay na tayo nan kung sakit na tayo every year, di ba? But yes, lifetime siya, hanggang sa may fund ka, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And yung last is yung burial or repatriation. Sakto ba yung pronunciation ko? Ito yung pagbalik ng bangkay kung OFW ka, di ba? kadalasan ito yung problema ng mga OFWs, yung namatay doon, tapos paano yung pagbalik dito sa Pilipinas. So it covers then extra service cost, repatriation, upgrade of chapel, catering, funeral cost. So galing, di ba? So madami. So, dito naman, I'd like you to see lang yung difference sa nag-start ng maaga at sa nag-start ng late. So, for example, for the K100 plan to K250, K100, if you're 20 years old, yung maturity niya is the same, of course, 1.1. But by the time na mag-65, yung 20 years old, he or she already has 12 million. Whereas ako mag-start ka 30 years old, ang laki ng bawas, magkano? That's 8 million difference. Pareho lang po yung nilagay na value pero late po nag-start. So yan yung power ng compounding interest, na binabaliwala natin yung yung nagpo-procrastinate, hindi nila alam kung ano yung na, na, na nawawala sa kanila because of procrastinating, because of starting late, right? 30. Pag 40, magkano? That's still a good amount, of course, but what if lang, no? Kung may mga anak tayo ngayon, pwedeng makapag-start ng maaga. Dito, 1.8, and pag 50 na, it's same 1.8 by 75 years old. But okay na din, di ba? At least meron, kahit huli, kesa sa wala ka talaga and mangungutang ka pa or ano pa yung magsasangla ka ng kahit ano-ano pagdating ng panahon. Alright? So, if you know anyone na wala pang healthcare, and kadalasan, di ba, lahat naman kasi, Kaiser is the only long-term care in the Philippines. In terms of sa business side, wala tayong kompetensya. And marami tayong kakilala na wala pang long-term care. So, tulungan natin yung iba na makapag-start din, di ba? So, ayan yung Kaiser. Now, hindi lang po, of course, Kaiser long-term care yung meron tayo. Meron din tayong short terms like family care, group health care, senior care. But of course, what we highly encourage or recommend is the long-term care because ito naiimbok. Alright? Ito short term lang. Pag hindi mo magamit, thank you yung pera natin. Alright? But best if paired din, di ba? Kung meron kang short term, meron ka ding family, kung meron kang long term, meron ka ring short term, minsan free yan sa company, 'di ba? So, take advantage mo na lang yung free sa company para ito may bonus pa later on kung hindi mo magamit. All right? So, yan po yung ating long-term care, and right now I'll discuss to you about the business opportunity po, So, whenever now you're an associate, you have your own Kaiser long-term care. You can earn referral income for every personal associate member you help sign up. So, sino po yung magbibigay sa atin ng komisyon? Hindi po si IMG, si Kaiser po. Alright? So, andito yung example natin, So, first 3 membership milestones natin. Kung member po tayo ngayon na bago, so ngayon associate tayo, joiner and saver tayo, it's either K100 or less or K100 or more. Basta member ka po ng IMG and meron po kayong Kaiser, meaning associate na po kayo. And then, next milestone natin is marketing director, which is 5 associates in 30 days. Now, sabi dito now 3 associates only until December 15. And actually, kahit ngayon nga, isang araw pwede itong matapos para makapag-help pa tayo yung 3 associates mo, pwede din silang maging marketing director. 'Di ba? Yun yung masaya kasi dito sa IMG, yung system talaga niya is meant na tayong lahat is mag-succeed. Alright? So, ako right now is senior marketing director yung contract ko. And what do you have to do to achieve this? It means 30 associates, 'di ba? But right now, it's just 15 associates. So, don't let this pass by. Make your Christmas, your New Year, at saka yung next year the happiest of all because you achieve this before the year ends. Alright? So, discuss tayo for the everyday. We discuss this naman para mag-guide po tayong lahat. If you have questions, ask your sponsor, ask me, di ba? Para ma-achieve natin ito. So, the goal natin dito is tayong lahat maging SMD para tayong lahat, maraming perks kasi pag SMD na, aside from the income, of course, maraming taong natulungan, and this is a lifetime contract, may vesting rights, and of course, wala namang demotion, wala namang quota na by then, ano. So, it's up to you lang how to maximize it. It's just that marketing director or senior marketing director, malaki na po yung ating may income, ma-maximize natin yung ating kontrata. So, there are two major types of income here, yung personal mo and yung team income mo. Alright? Kasi this is, for example, MD and SMD, it's already a managerial position. All right? So, for example, associate po tayo, ano? So, sample ng personal income computation. So, for example, magkaroon po kayo ng referral ngayon na nag-save po ng Kaiser, no? So, income po kayo because that's 20%, 1,176 per month. All right? Now, naging 5 po kasi nag-5-5 po kayo. So, that's already 5,882. And at the same time, you get to be promoted to marketing director. And your aim for this is, ngayon, ang suggested ko talaga is before November 30. On or before November 30, yung 3-3 kahit hindi yung 5-5 after na yung dalawa, para po makasali din po kayo sa Trainer Academy. Now, if you have 10 referral, that's 16,000 per month. 20, 38,000, 30, 60,000. And actually, you can have more of this. By experience, we can have more. Pwedeng itong weekly lang, ano, depende po sa inyo kasi dito sa IMG, ikaw lang talaga yung makakapag-decide ng income mo, right? So, ayan na, nakikita natin, what can this do to you? No? Extra 60,000. Ano ba yung magagawa niyan sa'yo? Di ba? Ang dami. Makabayad ng utang kung may utang, makapag-save ng marami. Of course, masustain yung Kaiser savings natin. O kung ayaw mo na ng trabaho mo, let go mo na para makapag-focus ka sa IMG. Di ba? That's what I did. So, simple lang na guide, guys, how to become SMD. Ano? Ito, diniscuss din ito ni Sir Jess at saka ni Ace kagabi, Coach Ace, ano? So, focus on promoting MD for you to become SMD. So, right now, it's November 22 until the 30th. Focus on having 3-3. Sarili mo, right? 3 members and then 3 savers. So, after that, November 30, itong silang tatlo, tulungan mo rin, tulungan natin, sabihan mo kami, para matulungan sila maging MD din para kayo lahat MD, 'di ba? So MD din sila, naging 9-9 na. All right? So yung deadline for the MD na 3-3 is December 15. So ito na, meron ka ng ilan to? 12-12 na. So yung kailangan mo na lang for SMD, which is deadline is December 30, is 3-3 na lang. So add ka na lang dito. In total, meron ka ng 15-15. Can you see? It's very easy lang po. Of course, marami tayong, di ba, kasi magdi-discuss tayo and everything, but if you would look at the numbers, very easy. You just help other people na, na ma-promote din. Ikaw at the same time, magiging SMD din. And kung dalian mo pa ito, maging SMD ka, November pa lang or first week of December, yung mga new MDs mo, posible ding makahabol sila na maging SMD din. Gaya po nangyari sa akin dati. I run for SMD. Now, yung aking strong team or strong lag, hold on, my party line. Okay, mute ko lang po. Mute.
Asa ka lapit?
Sorry po, pwede po pa-mute si Sir Medardo. Hindi ko siya ma-mute.
Linta.
Hold on.
Irish nga?
Isang
Irish.
Alright, nawala na po. Okay. Sige, so so sa akin dati, so yung strong team ko po, in-encourage ko din sa kanya na sabay na lang tayong mag-SMD para sabay tayong ma-awardan, no? So yun talagang nangyari. Actually, nung time na yun, double points din, ganito din, 15-15, and it was Christmas season also. I actually did not feel Christmas time that time kasi nga, nagra-run ako, even New Year, pero sa case natin ngayon, lampas na yan eh. So, dati kasi, siya, parang December to January yon. So, nag-appointment pa ako kahit New Year. So, sacrifice lang ako ng phase na yun, ano. And after that, wala na, no? Ngayon, I get to spend my Christmases with my family na, and hindi na kailangan na yung may amo kang ifa-follow and isa-schedule ka ng ganito, hindi ka makakapag-enjoy ng holidays with them. So, yan yung sakripisyong nagawa ko dati na na-achieve ko, na-enjoy ko na the following years after. Ano? So, na-hit ko din yung SMD ko noon, and the best thing is, nasama ko po yung aking one of the teams na maging SMD din. So, sabay po kaming na-awardan ng SMD sa Singapore. I think that was January or February of 2017. And ito naman na aking strong team, nasa Australia na siya ngayon, and doon na din siya nag-share ng IMG, ano. So may mga OFWs din siyang natutulungan doon ngayon. So 'di ba? Pwede. So do it fast so that you can help others also na maging SMD. All right? So wala namang limit dito. So wala ding saturation. So lahat pwedeng maging SMD. Okay? So all right, so let's move on. So how can IMG help you, no, to build your wealth? So for example, ito, if you're already earning 50,000 per month or monthly, um, teka lang, uh, sorry, hindi ko kasi ma-meet si, that's okay. So for example, if you're already earning 50,000 monthly, all right, and because you're with IMG, you're financially educated, you are able to know already how to manage it properly. So 50,000 mo, sample meron kang K100 plan, lagay mo yung 5882 doon sa iyong K100, and yung 4,000 mo lagay mo sa mutual fund. Sample naglalagay ka ng weekly ng 1,000 pesos or monthly ng 4,000 pesos. So ano yung extra mo? Meron kang 40,000 na extra. No? Kung 100,000, 6,000 sa Kaiser, 4,000 sa mutual funds mo, meron kang 90 na extra. 200,000, 6,000 sa Kaiser mo, 4,000 sa mutual funds, 190 for your lifestyle, or you can save more. And of course, the best thing here is you can give more. You can practice tithing. Ito kasi hindi ko din napapractice dati, no, before IMG na yung magbigay sa church and sa charity, nakakapagbigay man dati pero konti-konti lang. Ngayon, medyo okay na. Yung parang napaproud ka na kasi double blessed na tayo ng maraming Lord, and so marami na din tayong natutulungan. And what I follow is, or who I follow is yung mentors lang din natin, ano, kasi very generous silang magbigay sa church and sa charity. And so I see them do that, although they don't. I know lang because of the secretary, so that's what I follow also. All right, so yan. So we can give more if we have more. Now, let's go to the system ng IMG. As you can see here po, kanina kahit mismo sa ating cover, no, sa welcome page natin, may airplane talaga. And I have this assimilation to that kasi, no. So, sabi dito, why do planes need speed to take off? No, airplanes use a long runway before taking off to gain enough speed for the plane to lift up into the air. Airplanes can take off only if they are moving fast enough. The runway is important for airplanes because it gives them enough time to accelerate to the required speed to lift into the air. So, iba, hindi naman pwedeng airplane andito diretso lipad agad. Palaging dadaan muna sa runway, and mabilis na mabilis mag ano mag-andar para bago mag-take off, 'di ba? So, ganyan tayo, ganyan yung fast start. Kaya may fast start, kaya may system si IMG tayo na tinatawag para makapag-take off tayo. No? Hindi tayo manatili sa airport sa runway, okay? So, guidance lang po ito. So, ano po ba yung fast start na ito? Ano ba yung system na ito? So, may tinatawag tayo na 7-day, 7 steps duplication. Right? Again, 7 days, 7 steps duplication. The next 7 days natin is very pivotal for you. All right? Very pivotal for you. It can change your life. You can become MD, you can become SMD. But if you're an associate yet, focus on becoming MD. If you're an MD already, focus on having personnel so that you can qualify for the trainer academy with the 3-3. Right? So ano to? So own own your own Kaiser savings program, right? And know your reason why you're doing this, right? Marami tayong mga dahilan, di ba? Iba-iba. So, babayaran yung utang, magkaroon ng savings, iba-iba. And we always go back to the reasons why we're doing this. Why are we in IMG? All right? And once we understand that, we know na, uy, hindi lang pala ako yung kailangan nito. Kailangan din pala ng ibang tao. You have your own share list. By now, maybe you already have your share list. When I had mine before, I really had 100 people in my list and I just kept adding. Right? So, yung 100 people na yon, yung mga tao, kahit yung boss ko dati, yung classmate ko na intimidated ako dati sa school, or kahit sino pa yun, yung landlord ko dati, no, sinulat ko, and it turned out mga members na din sila ngayon, kasi kahit na yung mga academically successful, professionally successful, they are also financially not educated. Marami din sa kanila yung struggling, and yung iba marami pang utang, or kung marami mang pera, they don't know how to preserve it. And that's why kahit millionaires dito tinutulungan natin sa IMG, kahit mahirap na tao, tinutulungan din natin para magkaroon ng extra income. So IMG is really for everyone. If you've seen the last convention, merong PWD, 'di ba, na naging CEO. 'Di ba? Ang galing. Naiyak talaga ako doon, 'di ba? Kaya nga nila, paano pa tayo, 'di ba? So it's very inspiring. And sa share list mo, have your Zoom field training na, yung mag-invite na po tayo para makapag-attend po sila ng class, online class natin na happens multiple times a day. And then, once makapag-attend po yung guests natin, so, and mag-start po sila, mag-save na po sila, we start to earn. And when we start to earn, sample, 3 yung napasave mo, and nagpa-member sila, qualified na po tayo sa Trainer Academy. And of course, after that, mag-Trainer Academy na po tayo. Hindi pwedeng tayo lang, yung iba din, no? Yung members din natin, tulungan natin sila na mag-qualify din, i-duplicate natin yung sarili natin. Okay? So, simple, very simple lang po. So, let's go through this one by one. Okay? So, own. So, kung member po tayo ngayon na wala pang Kaiser, mag-own na po tayo, di ba? Only when you own your own savings program, yun lang po masasabi ng nag-invite sa'yo dito o yung sponsor mo na mission delivered na po tayo. Right? Having your own long-term care is a testament of love for your family and yourself. All right? And we always say here, don't be afraid to inconvenience people for their own good. Kasi ito naman, para naman sa kanila ito, sila naman yung magiging milyonaryo later on. Alright, tayo, kung mag-share tayo, kokonting commission lang. The important thing is, sila na secured. Alright? So, ayan. And then, number 2 is have your why. Know your why. So, iba-iba tayo ng why. Again, pay off debts, maybe to save for college fund of the kids, or become a better provider for your family kasi may extra income dito. Replace wife or husband's income. Yung gusto mo nang makauwi yung husband mo from being an OFW, or baka pagod na yung wife mo sa work niya and gusto mong makapag-focus na sa family. So, i-replace mo yung income niya para dito na siya with your family, along with your family. Fire your boss and become your own boss. If pagod na po tayo sa ating trabaho, di ba? So dito sa IMG kasi wala tayong boss. We're entrepreneurs here. So we can decide how to grow our business. Wala ding quota, walang demotion, di ba? So it's up to us. But you see, even if we don't have quota, we don't have tawag nito, walang demotion, the IMG members are so passionate in sharing the mission because we know how important it is, right? And maybe if you're an OFW to come home for good, so marami din dito yung ginagawa talagang IMG, and iba yung marami na po yung nakauwi din, mga seaman, mga OFWs na nakauwi na for good. And then travel the world. Kailan ba tayo magta-travel kung ugod-ugod na po tayo? So ngayon pa lang sa IMG, 3 to 4 times a year yung travel outside the country, no? Ngayon lang kasi pandemic, wala, di ba? So sabay tayong mag-travel next time, okay? And then give to charity. Lahat naman tayo dito siguro may yearning na makapagbigay. So kung we are with IMG, we earn more, we can give more, right? And of course, if you want to become somebody, yung makapag-leave tayo ng legacy sa ating pamilya, and ma-fulfill natin yung dreams natin, na hindi lang tayo yung nakakapag-benefit, but a lot of other more people. Like maybe you would want to build your own school one day, or your charity one day, di ba? Or kahit anong pang dreams natin, di ba? So, maybe wala din dito yung why mo, but you stick to it, no? Kasi ako, like, for me, yung why ko dati, of course nag-evolve, no, yung gusto ko talaga dati is yun lang, magka-Kaiser ako at mag-mutual fund, and then you realize, o nga no, ayokong mapasok sa debt trap, yung nagkakautang na and hindi na nakakawala sa utang, kasi 'di ba nangyayari yan kahit mga managers na natin dati, 'di ba, ngayon yun nga, very sad. I know a lot of people na managers na pero baon na baon sa utang, credit card debts and all. So ayokong mangyari, and of course ayokong tumanda na walang pera na magde-depend sa aking anak, no? Mako-compromise yung future nila kasi I depend on them. So I want to be a blessing to them, to my kids and to my grandkids someday, yung makapag-bless, kung i-bless mo ako ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, yung maging blessing ako sa kanila, right? Kasi nag-ipon ako. Okay, and they would emulate that also, and they'd be very happy to be with you because they see that you've instilled in you the good value of saving for money. You're a good steward of money, right? So ayan, let's move on to the share list. So pangatlo is yung share list. So tinatawag natin ito na mission list or your fortune list. Totoo po, ano? List of the people that you want to help and list down top 25 names. Your what we call flat tire list. Yung kung may sasakyan ka, pag ma-flat yung tire ng sasakyan mo, sila yung tatawagan mo. So, ito sila, they come in right now na may niraran ka na promotion, say for example, SMD. So, call these people that you trust, no? Sabihan mo, I'm running for this promotion. Please help me, no, you can tell that kasi close mo naman. Kung cold, hindi, of course, hindi natin pwedeng gawin ito. You can do that siguro after ka na ma-SMD. And you tell them na I need um, this number of savers, help me, no, and members. So, sige, yung kaibigan mo na totoong kaibigan mo naman talaga, ya, kung totoong kaibigan, sasabihin, oh, ano bang gagawin ko? Sabihin mo lang, magpa-member ka na, mag-start ka na mag-save ng Kaiser. Oh, so, sige, magkano ba yan? Oh, di ba? So, um, hindi mo lang natulungan sila, natulungan mo din yung sarili mo. And you'd be closer to becoming an SMD. So focus on that lang for the next this week and for kung SMD until December, alright? Madali lang po ito, basta lang mag-focus po tayo on doing the bigger mission of helping people na ma-financially educated and ma-secure po yung family nila. Again, 30M by 2030. And yung income talaga fa-follow na lang yan. Yung promotion fa-follow na lang yan. Minsan, ano pa, naglampas ka na, uy, 17 na pala ako, di ba? Hindi mo namamalayan and you can't help it. Kung yung natulungan mo na maging associate, gusto din nilang maging MD, di ba? So, dadami po yung ating points. Di ba? Diyan naman yung babasihan ng SMD promotion. So, go for it po. Wala pong limit dito, right? Gusto ni IMG, dito walang crab mentality. Lahat pwedeng ma-promote, alright? So, yung share list mo should look like this, ano? May member ka. If you don't have a copy of this, ask it from me or from your sponsor. You should put your name, your code, your cell phone number, and then your SMD name. Tapos lagay mo po yung name ng iyong share list, okay? Yung contact number, yung email, kailan nyo po sila in-invite for a Zoom presentation. Ngayon, focus tayo sa Zoom kasi pandemic pa, di ba? Meron naman tayong online tsaka recorded. And then, importante, follow-up. So as you can see, more than one follow-up. No? Yung ibang tao, hindi talaga yung nadadala sa isang follow-up yan. Hindi pa nila na-understand minsan yung importance. So you have to do second up to 7 or hanggang kailan, di ba, na i-follow up mo sila. That's for their own good anyway. Alright, so don't be afraid to inconvenience people for their own good. Okay? So if you want to complete your 100 in your share list, meron tayong tinatawag na memory jogger. You can Google this, kasi medyo hindi klaro dito. So parang ano lang siya, jogger lang, sining kakilala mong, sample, lawyer or psychiatrist. So maaalala mo kung sino sila at write down mo. Teacher, right? Gymnast, kung may kakilala, fundraiser, fireman. Okay, so you get to have an idea kung sino. So just Google memory jogger para maalala nyo, lagay mo dyan kung sino yung mga kailangan mong sharean. And then may tinatawag tayong, from Sir Noel to, machokoday, no? So ito yung mga tao na normally nagsasucceed agad dito sa IMG. Although of course we see, no, kahit mga single, very successful din. Basta ano lang talaga, may malaking pangarap sa buhay. So yung meaning ng machokoday is married yung prospect mo, may age 20 up, may mga anak, may bahay na binabayaran, may trabaho, very coachable, pero dissatisfied po sa buhay niya ngayon, and ambitious, marami siyang ambition sa buhay na gustong ma-fulfill, and influential, may circle of people po siyang nai-influence. So usually ito po yung by study nagsasucceed ng mabilis dito sa IMG, no? Yung mga married ones, yung may mga big whys. Pero again, the pandemic has showed na kahit single, may 23 years old nga na, di ba? Ano na siya, CEO, naging EVC, naging SVC. So malaki din yung hugot niya sa buhay kung ba't niya ginagawa yung IMG. And right now, multimillionaire na, di ba? Seaman, retired at 23, nag-IMG. Maraming stories na ganyan dito sa IMG, right? And number 4, so ito na yung ating Zoom field training. Yung pag invite na po natin sa ating klase after ng ating share list. Alright? So, in inviting, no, pwedeng laptop lang, pwedeng iPad, pwedeng phone, pwede silang manood ng class dito, di ba? Yan yung kagandahan ngayon. And nasa bahay ka lang, no? But ito yung reminders natin, ano? Kasi 90% of failure occurs in invitation or approach level or contact level. Dito pa lang, 90% na wala na sa IMG. Kaya marami ditong members sa IMG na nagtataka ka, bakit ba member sila pero bakit hindi kagaya ni ano na CEO na naging green jacket na naging SVC na. So, di ba, bakit member pa din siya? So, ito no, minsan, ito yung dahilan, yung pag-invite pa lang. So, ma-reject tayo, wala na. Ayaw mo na agad. May no lang, ayaw mo na agad. So, don't take it personally, no? Lahat naman tayo. Kami, mas mataas yung position, mas maraming rejection na dinaanan. Right? So, don't take it personally. They could just be making an intelligent decision due to wrong timing and proper information. So, kaya nga, sinasuggest natin na paramihin mo yung share list mo para pag no muna siya, hindi naman yan no agad no kasi minsan hindi pa lang talaga ready, later na. For harvest lang yan later. Para ka lang nagtatanim ng mga mango trees, di ba? Later na harvest yung iba. So, move on ka to the next sa yung share list para hindi masyadong masakit. 'Di ba? Yan lang yung key talaga. And then do not start with a product when presenting. Sabihin mo, halika dito, mag-start tayo ng Kaiser kasi ano, di ba? So para kang salesman. Hindi tayo salesman dito sa IMG, okay? We are financial educators. We start with the concept and give minimum presentation. So yung importante, mapapasok nyo po sila sa class. So attend ka ng class or mapapanood nyo po sila ng recorded class. Right? Kasi importante na maintindihan muna nila yung concept bago po sila mag-start, no, or mag-save, di ba? Kasi useless if mag-save din tapos hindi nila naiintindihan. Although kung close naman kayo, okay lang kasi pwede mo naman ma-explain agad kung cold market. And then kung may spouse naman, no, invite the spouse or the main person of influence. Ito din yung kadalasang mali ko dati na nakausap ko na yung wife, naintindihan na niya yung importance and magjo-join and save na siya, pero pag uwi niya sa bahay, sabi niya, honey, gusto ko na magpa-member at mag-start ng Kaiser. And ito si honey, si husband naman, is na-scam na dati. So medyo allergic siya sa mga ganito, di ba? Hindi pa niya narinig yung IMG. So sabi ni husband, baka scam yan, di ba? So ayun na. So, sino yun naman yung paniniwalaan ni Mrs., di ba? So, si husband. So, make it a point na kung may asawa, dalawa na lang sila yung kausapin mo. Very effective talaga siya pag mag-asawa. Even me now, if may nag-approach sa akin, no, tinatanong ko kung available ba din ba ng time na yan yung asawa mo para dalawa kayo yung makausap, di ba? So, para silang dalawa aligned din in financial planning. Okay? So, let's move on. So, pwede natin i-book study sila online, pre-recorded, and kung tapos na po yung pandemic, pwedeng on-site, no? So, ngayon, very effective naman yung ating online kasi andun na din lahat, dinidiscuss na lahat, right? Then we have what we call the presentation flow. When we present, no, kung nanonotice nyo sa ating membership orientation, we always start with the concepts, the solid financial foundation. Right? And then saka na, nagdi-discuss ng membership benefits and ng Kaiser after ng concepts. Right? Hindi natin inuuna yung Kaiser, di ba? And then after that, we discuss about the compensation. So, sinasabihan talaga natin na may business yung IMG, we can earn. Sino ba yung hindi gusto ng extra income, di ba? Kasi minsan hindi sila nag-start just because natatakot sila na baka hindi nila masustain yung kanilang Kaiser or Most 18 or what have you. So, you tell them na meron siyang business side and that it can sustain their savings and maybe later on can replace na their income just like what happened to me. Okay? So, ayan. And then, we have what we call FitFu or fortune in follow-up. So, ano to? So, kaya meron tayong follow-up kasi minsan yung 'di ba takot tayong mag-follow up tapos yung kaibigan mo lang pala kulang lang ng follow up. Gusto na palang mag-start pero takot din na or nahihiyang mag-approach sa iyo. So don't be afraid to follow up. It's for their own good. And baka pa yung ma-close mo na account is malaking account, 'di ba? Kagaya ko dati. May friend ako na nakita ko lang sa Facebook, uy, na-promote siya and na-assign siya overseas. And very ano siya, very galanted na siya the way I see gumastos. Ano? So in-approach ko lang siya, kasi na-approach ko na siya dati, finalo up ko lang na, uy, baka ano, pag umuwi ka, mag-meet tayo regarding Kaiser and regarding IMG and Kaiser. Right? And sabi niya, oh, timing, uwi ako next month. So, umuwi siya, nagkita kami. Pagkita namin, wala pang pandemic na matagal na yun. So, pagkita namin, discuss ako ng membership, tapos Kaiser, tapos yung diniscuss ko pa is K100. Pero alam niyo kung ano po yung kinuha niya? Bumaba po siya, pumunta po siya sa K250. So imagine niyo yan, and I was already SMD by then. For SMD contract times 47%, that's already 70,000. So yun yung first time ko na nakapag-close ako ng big account. May nakakapag-close na ako ng K100 dati, K150, pero malaki na yun sa akin. Pero first time ko yun na isang oras nakapag-earn ako ng 70,000. Di ba? So imagine mo yun kung makapag-appointment ka ng several appointments and makaklose ka ng annualized like 70,000 dito, 25,000 dito, 30,000 dito, di ba? So, yan yung sinasabi dito na ikaw lang yung makakapag-decide kung gaano yung income mo dito sa IMG, alright? And FitFu is a big factor to this. Follow up people. Follow up yung mga nag-know na sa'yo dati. Okay? And then we have what we call the 8-speed filter. So, paano ba to, no? So, paano mag-follow up, right? So, again, yung name, inviter, and then email ng iyong in-invite. And then, napa-Zoom class mo na ba sila? Diba? Kailan? And then, after ng Zoom class, na-checklist mo ba sila? Ano ba sa benefits na yun ng IMG yung gusto mo, right? Kasi hindi naman yan manonood ng class kung wala silang gustong malaman, 'di ba? So nag-spend sila ng time, definitely gusto din yan magpa-member. It's just a matter of convincing na lang talaga, right? So you don't ask them, ano, gusto mo bang magpa-member? So you just ask them, ano yung nagustuhan mo na benefit? So may magustuhan lang sila na benefit. For example, gusto ko yung long-term care or yung mutual fund. So definitely magpapa-member na yan. So if you question and answer and then review nyo lang yung benefits and then review nyo yung product, usually it leans towards Kaiser kasi di ba solid financial foundation. And then saka na po natin i-process sa eJoin and sa eApp. Alright? And after you close, so naging associate na din po sila, you let them invite people. So duplication na, remember? Their family, their friends to the next Zoom class. And you also know their goal. For example, gusto na nilang mabayaran yung utang nila, yun yung goal nila, or makapag-uwi na sa Pilipinas for good. Para minsan, kung nanghihina sila, alam natin kung paano sila i-uplift, i-remind na, remember, ito yung goal natin, kaya natin ginagawa ito. 'Di ba? Baka manghina na sila isang rejection lang, dalawang rejection. So, patuloy tayo kasi hindi sila yung makakapag-solve sa problema mo na makauwi ka agad dito sa Pilipinas or makapagbayad ng utang mo, right? So, ayan. And then, number 5, guys, is this is actually earn. And of course, before we earn, we learn. So, dito sa IMG, commission na tuloy. Mission first before the commission and learn before you earn. Now, we'll talk about earning, yung favorite dito ng mga tao. So, when we talk about income, I always ask about your dreams. Ano ba yung dreams natin sa buhay, di ba? Ang usually pagbata pa tayo, ang lalaki ng dreams natin, like gusto kong maging astronaut, gusto kong maging lawyer, gusto kong maging kung ano pa na, gusto kong makapag-travel around the world. right? But now that we have come to employment, nandito na tayo, nagtatrabaho, anong nangyayari? Na-fulfill ba natin ito sila, di ba? So, marami tayong dreams na hindi na-fulfill and kasi yung reason is yung income natin is hindi sapat to fulfill that dream, right? Yung ipon natin is hindi sapat to fulfill that dream. So we match our reality to the size of our income. So pwede pa lang hindi naman ano. So dito sa IMG, what I saw is that kung may income ka ngayon sa trabaho mo and you do IMG, that can help you achieve your dreams. And minsan nga, like what happened to me again, it replaced my income. I was able to fire my boss. I was able to quit my job. Although my job was good then, but what I realized is that hindi siya for me for long term. If I want to be able to focus on something, it should be something na I'd want to do my whole life. It should be something that's benefiting a lot more people like Filipinos, 'di ba? So ako nag-UP ako, Scholar ng Bayan tawag sa amin. Pero nung nagtrabaho ako, I was working for foreign companies. So parang hindi ko naman, parang, paano yun? Hindi ako talaga nakapag-serve sa country. So dito sa IMG, na-feel ko yung fulfillment kasi Pilipino talaga yung natutulungan. Bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Every time na may nagsasabi sa yung Hera na tapos ko na yung debt ko, Hera, for years na ako sa aking Kaiser, malapit ng matapos. Yun yung fulfillment para sa akin. Yung mga team natin na nakapag-close na ng malaking accounts and they're earning big na, I'm so proud of them. So, yun na yung nakakatulong ka na sa iba na ma-build din yung financial foundation nila, na makapag-earn ng malaking income, na makatulong sa pamilya. Di ba? Kasi yan naman yung the reason why ginagawa din natin yung IMG is para naman sa pamilya natin. Di ba? So, yan. No? So, it says here, big blessings await in helping people. So dito sa IMG, indication lang po yung big income sa dami ng taon na tulungan mo. Kung nakita niyo po sa convention sila, Sir Bench and Ma'am Feli, di ba? They're earning 1 million plus per month already. So yung iba like sila Sir Justice, almost 1 million per month din. Hindi na ako magme-mention sa akin, hindi pa kagaya sa kanila, pero it's more than, a lot more than what I expected I could have. And I can only see that I can have more, my family can have more, you can have more because you belong in the team and you're doing this. All right? So walang ibang patutunguhan dito sa IMG kung ginagawa mo yung mission, but lalaki lang po talaga yung income natin. Right? I don't know, I can't explain it. Super grateful lang po talaga ako. I can't imagine myself right now. Kung wala ako sa IMG, siguro maraming utang, walang ipon, di ba? But because of IMG, walang utang and maraming ipon, may solid financial foundation, and we're full-time parents, full-time doing IMG. Hindi masyadong worried about the future because nag-guide tayo ng IMG ng sakto. So, and I would also want you to experience that, to feel that because you're with IMG. Just be coachable, know the system, follow the system, and truly, the Lord, IMG also will bless us, no? At daming blessings dito. Ayun na, ano na ako. Emotional na. But, yan, ano, but of course, yes, yan yung reward. But of course, as you can see here, no, nilagay ko tong video na ito. It's anong tawag dito? Metamorphosis ng isang butterfly, no? From, yung pagdadaanan natin sa IMG, hindi talaga madali, no? Dadaan talaga tayo sa hirap, 'di ba? Kasi hindi madaling magpaipon ng tao. 'Di ba? Yung spending normal na sa atin, we've grown up na normal yung pag-spend, pero yung pag-iipon, mahirap magpaipon ng tao. Kaya maraming rejections, maraming negative na around us, but you have to, parang dadaanan mo talaga yan, yung parang butterfly pa, isi-squeeze ka muna sa pupae bago ka lumabas and mag-metamorphosize into a beautiful butterfly. So, yan no, so tanong dito, are you ready to succeed? Ready ka pa na daanan din itong mga paghihirap, mga sakripisyo? This is a real business, guys. Syempre, hindi siya one time, big time, ano? But worth it yung anumang dadaanan nating hardships like rejections, like no's, diba? So, question, can you invest time? Can you make this your priority for the next 7 days, guys? How much importance can you give? If you're working after work, can you spend time 3 to 4 hours or 2 to 4 hours of your time for IMG alone? You can already contact 10 people by then, right? That's what I did before after I realized how much time I was wasting, no, when nag-IMG na ako. Kasi dati, pagkatapos ng trabaho, hihilata na, magluto, hilata, kakain, nanonood ng teleserye, all for entertainment and walang learning. Right now, I entertain myself by learning. I entertain myself by helping more people. So, nag-brand lang ako sa Facebook ko ng saving, ng IMG. I don't post anything na except family and my passion and of course IMG. So you brand yourself as someone who is an IMG so that people, yung recall nila is ikaw kung mag-iipon sila, especially ngayon na bonus time, di ba? 13th month pay time. So, may extra income sila. Anong gagawin nila? Iipon nila sa ikaw yung lalapitan nila kasi alam nila na nag-a-advocate ka ng saving, no? And so, yan, please take this as a take this seriously. If you take this seriously, promise you, marami tayong ma-achieve dito sa IMG, right? And quickly, no, 3 types of discipline from Swan Nguyen. Sabi niya, there's physical discipline, emotional discipline, and system discipline na kailangan dito sa IMG. Physical, of course, because we have to discipline ourselves. For example, meetings pa lang. In the morning, kailangan gumising ng maaga para makapag-secure ng slot sa leaders call. If you're serious about your promotion, get a slot every morning sa leaders call. Maraming tao na just because kahit overseas, they wake up in the morning doon sa Europe, sa Dubai, no? Maraming tao, they did that sacrifice. They did that time to learn in the morning and ngayon they are successful. They have been promoted na. Right? Emotional discipline kasi hindi madali. Maraming mga negative people tayong may encounter. So, tataas din yung EQ natin dito. Right? And of course, system discipline. So, may system po tayo na dapat i-follow. And this is already proven na na system and na-eliminate na po yung mga wrong na nagawa dati. So, kung gagawa po tayo ng sariling system natin, baka magkamali lang po tayo. Right? So, just follow the system of IMG. Alright? Bakit? Sabi dito, no? Because if you run the system will run your business. So, we have a perfectly running model ng business natin dito sa IMG. And this is the same business or system that the successful businesses around the world have, no, like McDo, Jollibee, diba? Starbucks, right? The reason why they have thousands of franchises all over the world is because they have a good system, 'di ba? Pero paano ba 'yon, 'di ba? Sabi pa nga dito sa DTI, no, first 5 years sa 100 daw na businesses na sineset up ng mga Pilipino, 80% of that fail. 20% lang yung nagsasucceed. Another 5 years, yung sa 20%, yung 80% nag-fail din, and then yung nagsusurvive is the remaining another 20%. So, it's a cumulative success rate of 4% and a failure rate of 96% kasi walang system. So, ito yung meron sa mga businesses na successful, just like IMG. And like McDo, but if you want to have a great system like McDo, what do you need? 50 million? And can we afford 50 million, no? So sa IMG, magkano lang? 6,000, 12 to 82 to become associate and you already have this system, right? So ang dali-dali, di ba? So ride na lang tayo sa system ng IMG for us to reap the benefits din, no, na nabe-benefit ng mga malalaking kumpanya. So with the system, exponentially higher ang business success rate. So yung maganda sa IMG is the system of duplication lang talaga. Gaya ng mga burgers, 'di ba, sa tawag dito sa McDo, hindi naman 'di ba? Hindi naman siya that masarap yung burger ng McDo. Pero the reason na very successful sila is because of the system of duplication, no? Madaling gawin yung burger, yung spaghetti nila, madaling ma-duplicate all over their franchises, 'di ba? So the system, it's all about the system, right? So when you follow the system, you get to be promoted again, associate, MD, SMD. Focus your eyes on SMD because it's only 15-15 for now. Okay, it's 47%, right? Okay, so number six na, if you follow those, of course, you get to be qualified for the Trainer Academy. 3-3. And the deadline is November 30. That's why we keep our eye on November 30, right? So get promoted to MD before November 30. Run the system and duplicate yourself, right? That's the last one. Hindi lang ikaw dapat yung maging MD. Okay? The deadline is December 15. If you finish it by November 30, possible na yung napapasok mo, maging MD din sila. Tulungan natin sila maging MD and ikaw din maging SMD. Alright? So, mas masaya talaga guys na pag award natin, for example, next convention, di ba, if virtual pa din or baka live na, hindi nang, di ba last time, last convention, tagapalakpak lang tayo, yung most of us. So, ano, dapat next time ikaw na din yung papalakpakan, 'di ba? So mas masaya yung ganun. And hindi lang ikaw, pati yung team mo kasama mo. Kung sa convention pa kasama mo sila sa stage, kalamano mo pa yung mga malalaking, yung mga billionaires, 'di ba? Minsan may artista pa like kalamano mo sila Ariel Rivera, mga sila Sharon Cuneta, 'di ba? Pag awarding. But yun guys, what I'm trying to say is this business is for everyone. So the sooner you promote yourself, the better for everyone para mas matulungan din yung iba. Okay? So we have training references here available in our IMG portal. So workshop and then wealth creation system. And then guys, we have the aside from the portal, we have our page sa Facebook. Please like it if hindi pa po para updated po kayo ng mga announces ni IMG, alright, yung mga promo ni IMG. So marami pong pages yung IMG because may mga members na gumagawa. So yung pipiliin nyo po is yung may ito, yung official page na stamp. Right? So, yan. And meron tayong tawag nito, group pages. Tawag ay Prosper Pinoy. So, yung Prosper Pinoy is where yung mga members and mga savers wini-welcome dito po, ano. And then meron tayong Life of a Financial Educator na forum. This is for guests na hindi pa nagpa-member. So i-welcome niyo po sila dito. Sample na discussan na po natin, pero hindi pa po sila nag-umpisa para po alam nila yung updates and they get to know the community. Most of the time the community matters talaga, ano, when they see na, uy, marami palang savers, marami palang nagra-run for MD, marami palang nagra-run for SMD, ako din. Ganyan, no? So nakikita nila sa community na marami pala tayo, marami palang savers and investors. Sample, no? Ito, like, share kayo ng activities nyo sa Life of a Financial Educator. So ito, nung nag-share ako sa Lapu-Lapu na policemen, ano, invite nila tayo na mag-discuss sa kanila. So, financial literacy class earlier with Lapu-Lapu sa City PNP. So, share natin dyan. So, nakikita nila, hindi lang pala yung teachers, pati mga PNP kailangan din, di ba? And then ito, welcome Karen and congrats Joanne for sharing IMG to your friends. So, welcome natin para nakikita nila ang community. And ito, every time na mag-share tayo, di ba? Welcome natin sila sa Life of a Financial Educator na forum. Okay? Now, we have what we call the new um, members checklist. So, before after this class, no, make sure that you have this. This is good for 30 days, but this can be compressed in 7 days since you want to achieve a promotion in the next 7 days. All right, so ano ba to? So this is in Google Sheet form. So if you don't have this yet, ask from your sponsor. All right, so eto lang, parang checklist mo siya, right? So, ano yung members name mo? Kailan ka nag-join? Sinong inviter mo? Sinong SMD mo? Kailan ka nag-own? At ano yung plan mo? Own ng Kaiser. And then kailan ka nag-fast start? So today, for new members today, all right? And then how many names in your share list na? You know guys, this will really help you monitor, no? Kung sino na yung mga natulungan mong tao. And this would also help your promotion, right? Sino na po yung ilang beses ka na nakapag-attend ng membership orientation, kagaya nung kanina ng 4 p.m. natin kay Mark, at 9 p.m. meron tayo with Sir John Shu. All right? So kailan ka nakapag-attend? Kasi, di ba, repetition is the best teacher. Makinig ka ng makinig from iba't ibang mentors or trainers hanggang sa makabisado mo na siya and ikaw maging confident na din na mag-share sa iba. Right? So, keep on learning from other members. other trainers, even me, magfa 5 years na po ako sa business, but I continue to learn every day, no? I learn a lot every day from every other speakers, right? And then, how many guests na yung napapasok mo sa MO na classes? And then, na-take mo na ba yung wealth creation system sa ating portal? Nag-attend ka ba ng partners training every Saturday sa atin ito? Kagabi si Ace, di ba? Si Coach Ace. And nag-attend ka ba ng leaders call? How many times? This is every morning, weekdays, alright? Financial workshops. Kasi minsan tinatanong mo sarili mo, ano ba, ba't hindi ko ba nahihit? Ba't wala pa akong member and saver? Minsan nandito lang yung sagot, hindi ko pa pala na-take yung wealth creation system, right? Hindi pala ako nag-attend ng partners training. Hindi pala ako nag-MO, right? So, ayan, and then nag-qualify na ba ng Trainer Academy? Kailan mo na-promote yung sarili mo to MD? And ilan ba yung na-promote mo na to MD din sa iyong team? Okay? So, easy peasy, right? So, and you're November strong, guys. So, again, promote yourself to marketing director. Paulit-ulit ito hanggang sa sabihin nyo na sa akin na um, MD na ako, Hera. Proceed na tayo sa SMD. Alright? So, help 3 people join and save. Target November 30 kasi November 30, November pa naman tayo. So, you can join the Trainer Academy kasi ito din yung deadline, November 30. And yung ating pin, which is the deadline, is November 30 also. If you're 3-3, 3 birds na yon. Isa itong pin, isa yung MD, and isa yung ating Trainer Academy. Right? 'Di ba? Yung pen, talagang mafa-flash yung name mo dun sa awarding kung meron kang pen. Right? So meaning you have honor ito siya na meron kang pen. So November 30. So next 7 days, focus on having 3-3 personnel. Okay? Ako din, nag-run ako dito, right? And qualified na ako. So even if SMD na po kami, we also run for it, right? We should always walk the talk, right? And then get this, yung ating community shirts, 'di ba? Nakita natin sila Tito Boy, sila Karina, they're wearing this. I also have mine this, pati yung gray. So if you just have 1-1, 'di ba? 3-3 nga yung meron sa iyo. So 1-1 lang dun. Tapos campaign ng 30. So, meaning napapasok mo sila yung 3 na prospects mo dito sa ating counter. So, importante po yung counter, no? Yung 30 dapat mapasok dito kasi mariread siya ng system kung magsasubmit na po tayo ng ating promotion. Pag nakita ng system na nag-submit ka ng 30 campaigns, hindi naman necessary na nag-join and save. So, name, email, address lang. So, pasok na. Meron na tayong free shirt na isi-ship po sa address nyo. So, ako last week dumating yung aking blue shirt, and kahapon dumating yung aking green shirt. Right? So lahat tayo para next convention suot natin ito. Okay? And become SMD. Ito na talaga yung ultimate, no? Kasi until next month lang. So help 15 people join and save. So focus natin ito after ka maging MD. Or kahit nga kung gusto mong tapusin ito ngayong November, go ahead, di ba? Walang pipigil sa'yo, di ba? Para may marami pa tayong mapasama as SMD. And at the same time, kung maging MD, SMD, makapag-qualify na po tayo for free healthcare. Para next year, intact po yung ating long-term care, meron tayong free HMO by Kaiser ng IMG. Free po to ha. So, tapos may card po ito talaga. So, maganda, di ba? Free. Dati, you have to be employed for you to have this. Dito, mag-help ka lang na maging MD ka lang, tapos help ka ng 5-5, meron ka ng free healthcare. Right? And may tinatawag tayo na GCEO pathway. Although hindi mo pa siguro ito maintindihan ngayon for those na mga bago, ito lang po yung fina-follow natin para mag-succeed tayo dito sa IMG. This just represents the number of people that you have helped. When you have 10 in 1 month, you get to have the blazing blue shirt. Ang ganda po nito. Meron din ako nito. So, then meron kayong 15-15 and then 30-30. So mga shirts, so kung may nakikita kayong leaders na may red shirt, may green shirt, ito po yung representation nito. Nakapag-help sila in 1 month ng 15-15, in 1 month ng 30-30. Sila Sir Jess, nakita nyo, may black shirt po sila, meaning nakapag-help po sila ng 300 in 1 month. Can you imagine that? How many people na yung natulungan mo? So yan, no? So if you want to print this as a guide, kasi ito po yung ginaid ko dati, print ko talaga ito, ginawa ko siyang guide nung nag-run po ako ng green jacket. Right? So, tiningnan ko pa pag first month, meron na akong, nung nag-track na talaga ako, naka 10-10 ako. So the following month, naka 15-15, hanggang sa natapos po talaga yung green jacket kasi nagko-compound po talaga yung numbers. Nagko-compound yung numbers, nagpro-promote ka, lalaki yung income mo, marami pang rewards, di ba? So, limitless talaga. Ang dami ng opportunities dito sa IMG. No? So actually, yung biggest fulfillment is maka-help sa mga tao. Reward na lang po yung income. You'd feel it as a reward. Yung every week, may papasok sa'yo na income. Tapos, kasi dati ako, I live paycheck to paycheck talaga. Yung binabudget mo yung paycheck to paycheck mo. Tapos, nauubusan ka na minsan. Paano ko tayo budget yung tinatawag pa na tingbitay dito sa Cebuano? Dumaan ako niya nung nagtatrabaho pa ako. Ngayon sa IMG, hindi ko na po talaga na-experience yan. Talagang dating na lang ng dating, hindi mo ma-explain, no? Parang, ano bang ginawa ko, Lord? Parang, yun yung mafe-feel natin. So, I'd like you to experience that, and you won't be able to experience that unless you become SMD. Alright? So, become SMD as soon as possible. And do this not just for you. You're doing this because for your family. Alright? Kasi sino bang makikinabang kung lalaking income mo? Pamilya mo naman, di ba? So, we do this for our loved ones, right? So, yan. And, yeah, no? So, run the mission and the mission will run your promotion. So, focus lang on the mission. So, financial literacy pin, MD, and then, guys, baka makasama pa tayo sa trip to London if you wanna know more about this or baka alam nyo na, no? Pwedeng-pwede. Kung hindi makasali ngayon, kung SMD, but SMD kayo this year, posibleng next year makasama na kayo sa free trip, no? So lampasan mo lang yung SMD, surely madali na po dito sa next na mga milestones. And then ring, so I qualified na din for the sapphire ring. So itong ring na ito, guys, yung galing pa talaga ito sa US, and my name mo, my diamond siya, yung worth is 100 to 200,000, and bigay lang po sa'yo ng IMG. Ako nga, hindi ako mahilig sa sing-sing, pero ano ba, tatanggapin ko kasi bigay, di ba? May pangalan mo pa. So, yun ano. So, lumaki na yung income mo, bibigyan ka pa ng sing-sing, may relo ka pa na SMD watch, na Rolex watch. So, yan. So, sabi ko, focus on the mission and dadating na lang yung blessings. Alright? So, gusto ko next year, hindi lang ako na lang yung attend sa Green Jacket meeting. Masaya po ako kung marami na po tayo, and marami din po tayong ring earner and makapag-trip to London for free. Alright? For free, guys. And wala talaga tayong problemahin kasi yung mag-aasikaso nito is IMG na. Reward po ito siya. Hindi tayo pupunta doon para magtrabaho. Pupunta tayo doon para pumasyal. Di ba? Free trip ng IMG. Alright? So, every year meron nito. Sa iba't ibang countries, minsan cruises. All right? So, I'd like to proceed now to the business mentality na kailangan po natin. Okay? And nakikita po ninyo may arrow, yung meeting mentality. And nandito po kayo ngayon, di ba? Fast Start is one of the meetings ng IMG. Yun po kasi talaga yung nakikita kong pinaka-importante dito sa apat na ito. Kung gulong po ito ng sasakyan, of course, kailangan itong apat, di ba, kung may sasakyan ka. First is recruiting. Every time you wake up, you go about your day, think about recruiting, meaning helping another person become financially independent, letting them join IMG. After joining, fast start them. Tell them about the 3-3 right away. Tell them about the business opportunity of IMG, right? And then immerse them in the meeting. I-fast start mo, ipatan nyo sila ng leaders meeting, ng partners meeting, and whatever meeting. Sa team natin, we have daily at 7 p.m. para ma-align tayo lahat. Kasi minsan may mga question tayo, nandun lang pala, sa meeting lang pala nasasagot at nadi-discuss thoroughly. And when you attend the meeting, you know, you would have a different mentality. You would have the mentality of, tawag nito, a servant mentality. And when you have the servant mentality, you would want to contribute. And when you want to contribute, that's when teamwork comes in. You would want to contribute to the points of the entire team, to the points to the 30-30 campaign, right? Because the main goal of this, again, is the 30-30 campaign of IMG. All right? So I'm excited for you guys na ma-promote sa SMD, siguro tayong lahat naman dito, no? We have Kublai is already SMD, si Miss Abby, si Faith, si Ma'am Emelita, and si Ma'am Delia. Wait, mga sure na naman ito mag-SMD, mga nag-a-attend na ng meeting. Si Miss Abby lang po, hindi ko pa na-meet, no? So, welcome po, Miss Abby. And then, guys, this is just a snapshot, no, ng sa laptop to actually, no? Kung naalala nyo sa convention, si Swan Yen, nag-share siya ng winning process. And I can't forget it because totoo, no, ito lang talaga yung very simple na guide mo para mag-win ka dito sa IMG. Kung hindi po klaro, sa nakikita po ninyo, sa nakikita ko in my end, no, so you as a prospect, finalo up po kayo ng sponsor nyo, tapos nagpresentar po sila ng IMG sa inyo at Kaiser, and naging recruit po kayo, naging member po kayo, nag-join and save po kayo. Ito sa finger po ni Coach Swan. And then after po nun, nag 3-3. Ngayon yung gagawin nyo, 3-3. Naging MD po kayo. And then, saka po mag-SMD na. Kasi ito po actually yung pathway ko. Ito po yung na-follow ko dati without realizing. Kaya po akong naging SMD. Right? So dito, the real income is in the SMD. So target for SMD, we have a lot of time pa. Baka hindi lang po tayo, baka yung hindi mo pa member maging SMD din yan. Malay mo, hindi mo talaga alam, di ba? So gawin pa natin the best that we can. So sabi dito, financial education is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So everyone here from a spender to saver to investor to entrepreneur and to business owner. Just would like to share my story, di ba? So, dati po, wala po itong mga designation na ito. Of course, mama ko of one dati and homemaker. Pero after IMG, naging executive marketing director po. And then AFP na din ng Registered Financial Planners of the Philippines. This is a highly reputed na designation po sa financial planning. And then naging green jacket po ng WSB, yung sister company natin sa US and Canada. And then certified life insurance underwriter ng Insurance Institute of Asia and the Pacific, and of course investor and entrepreneur. So I don't know kung siguro kung wala sa IMG, nagtatrabaho pa ngayon, employee, maraming utang, walang ipon, ganyan siguro ako ngayon, di ba? So tanan, lahat sa IMG po. And right now, this is a family business. This is what we do. And this is my husband, Kublai, and our bunso, Kali. This was when we attended the Trainer Academy, the last Trainer Academy. And this is my son. He became a shareholder already of blue chip companies when he's just 4 years old. And itong bunso namin naman when she was 4 months old. So meron po talaga silang mutual fund accounts na naka-name sa kanila kasi naka-trust fund. So yan din po yung isa sa naituro ng IMG sa atin, Kasi ito yung ginagawa ng mentors natin. So follow natin. So ayan, so we're confident na pag college nila, pag debut ni Kali, may gift na kaming millions, no? So kung meron silang gusto na kurso, ma-afford na natin kasi ngayon pa lang nakakapag-ipon na tayo kahit 500, 1,000, that could be millions na later on if you do it consistently, okay? And this was when we were awarded sa convention, no, for helping families po. So ito with my husband, no. So nagagaon po tayo pag annual convention. And these are our direct mentors. We have many mentors here, but for me, when I joined and until now, these are the people I go to for help always for asking anything. When you're here with a team, you can also ask them. So Sir John, he's based in Hong Kong, but I get in touch through Messenger or calling. And of course, Sir Jess and Miss Joanne. So lahat sila, go-to ko talaga. Sila, yung pathway nila sa finances din yung fina-follow ko. Sir Jess started in IMG na full of debts and right now, multi-millionaire and very humble. Madami ding natutulungan na tao. Okay? And these are our investing mentors. Sino ba to, di ba? Si Brother Bo lang naman po. Si Rex Mendoza lang naman po. Si Sir Fitz lang naman po, di ba? Si Sir Fitz Villafuerte, idol na idol ko pa talaga ito. Bago pa po ako ng IMG, na-read ko na po yung mga blogs niya. And I was so amazed sa wisdom po niya on personal finance. And so when I found out na IMG member din po siya, and I saw him sa convention, nagpa-picture po talaga ako. And of course, di ba, si Rex Mendoza, mismong advisor ng mga Ayala, ng government in terms of investing. And of course, Brother Bo na the great missionary and preacher na member din po ng IMG. Mentor din po natin sa IMG. Okay? So, di ba? If you want to be guided ng sakto, punta na po kayo dito sa IMG, no? Gawin na po natin yung IMG. So, congratulations everyone. I'll share to you the quote or the verse from Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 11, no? So, sabi dito, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future." Lahat po ng ginagawa natin dito sa IMG is for us all to live abundantly, right? So wala pong ginagawa dito si Lord na walang plano naman si Lord dito na 'di ba? Na pahamakin tayo. So yan din po yung nakikita ko sa IMG, no. Talagang prina-prosper lang po tayo, prepare tayo for the future. Right? So ang galing, no, yung nag-welcome natin sa atin mga ano pa, mga bibingatan. Okay? So this is the college I made sa last convention natin, no. I'm so happy and so proud of the team kasi for the longest time ilang convention po, hindi po talaga ako nakakapag-gather kasi syempre it entails cost and a lot of us hindi po nagre-risk para makapag-learn, makapag-join ng convention, and there came the ano tawag nito, the pandemic, and ginawa ng virtual, so marami na pong nakapag-attend. Last convention sa team natin, 100 plus po yung attendees. No? So I'm so proud of everyone and I'm so excited na lahat na nandito maging SMD din. Okay? So ayan. So thank you everyone. I'll leave you with a quote, my favorite quote. So success is when you achieve your goals. Significance is when you help other people achieve their goals, by Brother Bo Sanchez. So I'd be the happiest if tayong lahat po dito maging SMD. Yung contract ko po yan is SMD. Kayo din po. Alright? So let's do this by December. Alright? So thank you again, guys. Shall we have a photo? Photo. Wait lang ha. Sorry pala, natagalan. And you can join Sir John's class ngayon. Maya-maya po pala. Ito pala. Ayan. Snapchat na lang po. Snapshot pala. Iba yung Snapchat. Okay. So thank you for attending everyone and see you mamaya sa call ni Sir Jess. God bless. Bye-bye.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because our mission to financially educate people is limitless. We keep no boundaries to share and spread our advocacy to the families who are in need.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was encouraged and motivated to help more families and prevent them from becoming a victim of a scam.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to teach my co-teachers the importance of saving money for their future and their retirement.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because this has inspired me to uplift the image of the teachers that we are not always a victim of loan sharks, but we can also be financially educated and become financial educators as well.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because it has taught me to build a solid financial foundation, which I can't wait to share with more families in the future.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to share the knowledge of financial independence to people.
I'm a proud IMG campaigner because this changed my life from a domestic helper to a financial educator.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because I was able to touch lives through this campaign and transport people to where they ought to be.
I am a proud IMG campaigner because it's amazing to bring financial knowledge to people and guide them towards a debt-free life.